Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Brussels sprouts in your air fryer. First, gather 1 pound of fresh Brussels sprouts. Begin by washing them thoroughly and trimming off the tough ends. Remove any loose or discolored outer leaves. For larger sprouts, it's best to cut them in half so they cook more evenly. Then, in a medium bowl, toss the prepared sprouts with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ensuring they are well coated. Now, let's talk about adding some amazing flavor. To elevate your sprouts, consider incorporating 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder into your seasoning mix. For those who enjoy a hint of sweetness, a drizzle of 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or balsamic glaze works wonders. If you prefer a little heat, a small sprinkle of red pepper flakes can add a delightful spicy kick, making each bite more exciting. Next, it's time to get them into the air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius, for 5 minutes. Once preheated, arrange the seasoned Brussels sprouts in a single layer within the air fryer basket. It's crucial not to overcrowd the basket to ensure they crisp up perfectly. Cook them for 15 to 20 minutes, remembering to shake the basket halfway through the cooking time for even browning. Finally, your perfectly crispy air-fried Brussels sprouts are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately as a fantastic and healthy side dish that complements almost any meal. For an extra burst of freshness and brightness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the hot sprouts just before serving is highly recommended. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.